In SAT example number 25, kind of similar to the previous SAT examples, where you're looking for a specific value of a particular variable. So what you want to do is take the given information and get everything in terms of that particular variable. And I'm going to switch colors here so that it shows up a little bit better. There we go, that white should show up better. I was underlining the A and it didn't come through too well. So we're given the fact that the square root of AB is equal to 8. Remember, the question is asking what is A. So let's get rid of the B by replacing the B with A squared, because that was given in the second bit of information, that B is equal to A squared. So this is what we have at this point. The square root of A times A squared equals 8. We're going to use our exponent properties and clean up what's underneath the radical sign. A times A squared, we add the exponents together and get A cubed. Alright, now we have a couple things we want to try to get rid of in order to find the value of A. We want to get rid of the radical sign, and we want to get rid of the cube. Now there's a couple different ways to do that. I think I'll take this approach, where is when you multiply or raise both sides to the second power. What that does on the left, when you square a square root, they cancel each other out. A square negates the square root symbol. So all you're left with on the left-hand side is A cubed. So you square the square root goes away. On the right-hand side, 8 squared is 64. Now we have A cubed equals 64, so we can just think, what number times itself 3 times is 64, or we could actually go to our calculator and take the cube root of 64. Either way, we'll come up with the value of 4 for A, which is choice B. Now there are a couple other little ways you could do that a little bit differently, but this way is probably one of the more efficient ways of doing it. So that's the end of example number 25.